Looking for a powerful solution to import PSD file to Lotus Notes? If yes, download the BitRecover PST converter wizard designed with special features. To know more about the software, please watch the video. In the Welcome window, read all guidelines and then after click on the Next button. Now, there are two ways to upload Outlook PST files. If you have Outlook application running on the machine, select the Convert Configured Outlook Mailbox Data. Here, you can directly upload the PSD file and folder. Click on the Select File button and choose the PSD file from the saved location and then click on the Open button. Select the checkbox Use Recovery Mode for recover your corrupt OST or PSD file. After that, click on the Next tab. Now, you will see the number of files and folders in the software panel. Here, you choose the required PST files for the conversion process. After that, click on the Next tab. Select Lotus Notes option and choose CSV option from the list. Go to Filter option tab. Select the checkbox Use Advanced Setting for Filter Saving option. There are multiple saving options available in this tool like date range, from, to, see subject and many more. Go back to previous window. Click on folder-like icon, and choose the destination path of converted files. After that, click on the Next tab. When the data is completely converted, a complete conversion message appears. Click on the OK tab. Trial version: convert only 25 email files.